What's going on, people? It's time to put together a cat tree cave cove thing. I got other parts right here. I now have this furry thing, cylinder, baton in my hand. This thing's like pretty big. Yeah. Big. It has fucking screws. So I found the directions. We have English. We have Francais. We have Espanol. We have German. And we have Italiano. It is Italiano. Italiano. Italian. In Italy. Oh, Italy. There it is. Oh. Mon Dieu, por él. Yes, chocolate. I do say, cheerio, chap. I need the English, oi. Alright, let's open it up here. Let's see what it says. Alright, general guidelines. Notes. Okay, I need... Where's... I don't care about the notes and the warnings. Where's, like... That's all the English. Please tell me there's more English. French. That's it? That's... You're kidding me, right? Please tell me you're kidding. Oh, here we go. Here's how to assemble it right here. In the very back. Yep. Looks easy enough. Okay, so I'm guessing step one is take these furry things right here and shove them up inside this box thing. I think that's what it's telling me. I'm gonna try it anyway. Something doesn't look right. Maybe I should try putting the other ones in too. Still doesn't fucking look right. Yeah, 4 of them in the corners, and then screw them in with the torque wrench thing, whatever it's called. Seems fucking easy enough, but I guess I did it wrong. Fuck. There we go. Now it looks right. Fuck! You know what? I'm not even going to be able to do this with one hand anyway. I mean, it's got like all these parts and everything. Paw print. Yeah, not going to be able to do it one-handed, so I guess I'll like post a picture of it like later for the people that care. Or something. I don't fucking know. These things suck. Fuck!